Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Dwayne Lyons here from Wavical Data Solutions as part of CDO Tech Talk, and I'm interviewing Moaz Hassan, the Chief Data Officer for Royal Caribbean Group. And good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dwayne, and thank you for having me.
Great. Well, why don't we go ahead and just get into the questions here? So maybe we can start off with just, sharing with everybody, how did you get started in the data management and data analytics space?
My journey with data started over 23 years ago in grad school when I decided to focus my degree on database management, my thesis on metadata management. As you can imagine, at that time there was less research done on that area. There was less, there were less tools available in metadata management, and so that was I built a homegrown metadata management tool for a telecom company at that time that was interning with. And I then held multiple roles from data engineering and BI development and so on, and made my way into architecture. I built multiple data warehouses, both as part as Deloitte Consulting and just as an FTE directly with various companies in retail, manufacturing, in government, and but I spent most of my time in finance. This led me to joining Charles Schwab as their global data managing director for global data technology, where I oversaw various data engineering, data analytics groups. And that led me to Royal Caribbean Group as the Chief Data Officer. So my career sort of progressed with a combination of technical and managerial leadership roles in data. It's always been in data.
Great, that sounds awesome. And kind of just drilling down on that a little bit, how long have you been in data management leadership roles in your career versus, maybe being earlier in individual contributor?
Yeah, so I made my way into management. It was my first management role as a manager 15 years ago, and then moved into consulting management with Deloitte, and then about 6 years with Deloitte as a director, and then a managing director with them.
Great. Well, thanks for that background. Now, maybe switching gears just a little bit, a lot of recent stats show that CDOs are frequently new into their roles because it's a new and evolving position, and that's probably resulted in a lot of with it being a new role, a lot of changes and responsibilities. How have you and your role kind of dealt with maybe some of the new responsibilities that come about as part of being a CDO, and maybe what's an example of that you've had to deal with?
Yeah, the CDO role is very, I would say it's challenging, but it's also very exciting. There is a variety of challenges that range from technical to functional and cultural, frankly.
Mm-hmm.
And while there are multiple, challenges in the technical space, I would say one of the interesting challenges right now is how do a CDO balance the need to break silos and consolidate data, but while making sure that the business analytics groups have the data that they need to make progress and generate value from data. This becomes very interesting, especially because there is the perceived, preconceived notion that enterprise data teams are slow, and CDOs are often a challenge to establish data product thinking, establish cross-functional agile teams that move faster so that could satisfy the need for speed to market. And then advances in data ops are also very critical in making sure that these challenges are tackled appropriately.